Hey YouTube, got a head unit and wanted to see what it was all about. It's a $15 head unit. It's XQ Vision XD107. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's all about. It's got aux, USB, SD, Bluetooth, 40 watts power. Not much that it says there about it, so there's wiring diagram on it. Wow, this thing is light, like super light. I think my screwdriver weighs more than this thing does. Anyways, there it is. Volume knob feels alright. Switches feel kind of cheap. But yeah. Well, I suppose I'll get it on the bench and see what it can do.